How to treat a sore throat at home. Effective remedies. Dealing with a sore throat can be uncomfortable and distracting, but you don't always need medication to find relief. Discover easy, effective home remedies you can use today to ease the pain and discomfort of a sore throat, leveraging what you have at home. A warm saltwater gargle is a tried-and-true remedy for soothing sore throats. Salt reduces swelling by drawing out mucus and bacteria. To prepare, mix half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water. Gargle for a few seconds and spit it out. Repeat several times daily. Herbal teas such as chamomile and peppermint can provide comforting relief. Chamomile tea has anti-inflammatory properties, while peppermint tea offers natural menthol to soothe the throat. Consume these teas warm and make sure to breathe in the steam for added benefits. Honey is not only a natural sweetener, but also a powerful remedy when dealing with a sore throat. Its antibacterial properties can help fight infection, while its thick consistency coats the throat. You can mix honey with warm tea or lemon juice for optimal soothing effects. Proper hydration is crucial for maintaining throat health. Drinking sufficient water flushes out toxins and helps keep the throat moist. This reduces irritation and ensures your body is better equipped to fight off infections. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily. Dry air can exacerbate a sore throat, making a humidifier an invaluable tool in your recovery. By adding moisture to the air, a humidifier prevents further dryness and irritation. Consider placing it in your bedroom overnight for consistent therapeutic moisture. Resting may seem simple, but it's crucial for recovery. Constant talking can strain and further irritate a sore throat. Whenever possible, rest your voice by speaking softly and avoiding unnecessary conversation. This allows inflamed throat tissues to heal without added stress. To support your throat's healing process, steer clear of known irritants. This includes cigarette smoke, which can further irritate and add toxins to your throat. Also, be cautious of overly spicy or acidic foods that may exacerbate discomfort or swelling. Boost your immune system with a diet rich in vitamin C and other nutrients. Citrus fruits, bell peppers, and dark leafy greens are excellent sources. These not only support overall health, but may also speed up recovery by enhancing your body's natural defenses. While home remedies are effective, they are not a substitute for medical care if symptoms worsen. Persistent or severe throat pain beyond a few days may indicate a more serious condition. It's important to consult with a healthcare provider to rule out strep throat or other complications. Beyond the traditional methods, you might consider alternative remedies such as throat lozenges or sprays specifically designed to numb and moisturize the throat. These can provide immediate relief in conjunction with the natural remedies discussed above. Take control of your health with these effective home remedies. By integrating these practices into your daily routine, you can naturally alleviate sore throat discomfort. Share this knowledge with friends and family, and try these remedies today to experience relief and enhance your well-being. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness content. Please leave any comments you may have and topics you would like us to cover in our up-and-coming videos. Thank you for watching.